You don't have to be a meteorologist to see the clouds outside, but you do have to be a meteorologist to see your data in the cloud.
No, you don't.
Apparently you don't. All you need is the right architecture, and that's what we're going to take a look at today. In the past, we've talked about how to utilize taps to access packets from your on-premises network infrastructure. However, your security and performance monitoring tools need data from every part of your network to be truly effective, and that includes data from off-premises cloud infrastructure as well. So I thought it'd be a good idea today to explore how you capture critical data packets from applications in the public cloud. Now, first of all, it's worth mentioning that this is considerably more challenging than capturing data from physical infrastructure, because you can't just deploy span ports or taps on infrastructure that you don't own or control. But it's still an essential thing to do nonetheless. From a security perspective, simply ignoring cloud traffic is not an option, because hackers can exploit accidental misconfigurations and gain access to your enterprise network. Plus, from a user perspective, you need a way to collect and analyze performance data so that way you can easily troubleshoot latency and performance problems within your cloud applications. In order to see what's happening inside your cloud environment, you need a visibility solution that can scale alongside it. One of the cloud's greatest advantages is the flexibility to be able to spin up new servers on demand whenever you need more processing cycles. So, unsurprisingly, you need a visibility solution that's flexible and responsive enough to keep up. One that starts accessing packets as soon as you spin up a new cloud, and seamlessly sends every packet straight to your monitoring tools. Now, you're probably saying to yourself at this point, well, that's all well and good, but how does this whole cloud native visibility thing actually work? And I promise, it's a heck of a lot simpler than it sounds. Cloud native visibility platforms automatically embed a container-based sensor every single time you spin up a new cloud server. These sensors can then copy the packet data and forward it directly to your monitoring tools. And because the design is cloud native, it scales without limit and requires zero additional infrastructure, since the sensor is deployed right inside of the cloud. This design is superior to retrofitted solutions, which send all of your cloud traffic to a monolithic controller for distribution, which then becomes a single point of failure. When it comes to control and configuration, cloud-native visibility solutions use a cloud-based remote management portal that's as intuitive as it is effective. A drag-and-drop interface makes setup and configuration a breeze, and far easier than trying to use a command line interface. This enables you to deliver data directly to your cloud-based monitoring solutions. Or you can also send it securely to your centralized data center, where you can deploy a network packet broker to filter that data and send only what's relevant to each of your tools. Now, unfortunately, that's all I've got time for today, but I hope today's tip video has left you a little bit wiser and possibly somewhat more entertained. Heck, at the very least, this ugly mug here should have kept you entertained for at least 1 or 2 laughs. But anywho, if you're craving any additional information on accessing cloud traffic, be sure to check out the white paper entitled Achieve Network Visibility in the Public Cloud. You'll be glad that you did. And until next time, this is Packet Boy signing off.